Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi camera. In this video I'll show you how to download recorded clips to your smartphone. To download recorded clips to your smartphone, let's go to Xiaomi Home app and go to Playback. Now, all Playback videos and select Playback you'd like to download. Tap Edit and select Save. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.